Okay guys, so here is my new DJI Mini 2. It's a more budget drone that DJI offers, which is great for me because I'm 15 and I didn't want to break the bank with a $2,000 drone. So I did opt for the Fly More combo though, because it comes with this nice case so I can put it in my backpack when I go out to ride on the dunes or whatever. Comes with the charger that you need for the controller and the battery pack. So here's the drone. Kind of comes in that side pocket. Super small, super light, really nice. You don't have to register it or anything, which is kind of one of the main reasons I got the drone. Here's your controller. So the sticks for the controls are right here. You got to pull them out of the bottom, and you can see the charging port there as well. And then you got to hook your phone up. Pulls out there. That's also your antenna, and there's a cord in there that is pre-set up for an iPhone. One thing I would like to warn you guys about though, I have an OtterBox Defender on my XR, and the charging port doesn't work. The case is too thick, so I had to buy a smaller case for when I go on trips and I'm going to be flying the drone a lot. And also, here's your battery pack. Comes with 3 batteries. Each of them is supposed to have 30 minutes of flight time, which is super nice. And then you can see in here, they give you this. It's got your manuals and stuff. And then in this pocket up here, you have your propellers. Nothing really comes in this pocket. As you guys can see, I've already been in here. I've actually already flown the drone because I forgot to film this earlier. But everything comes. It's got lots of stickers on it. You're going to want to take those off. There's lots of better reviews out there that go way more in depth than I just did. But I figured I'd just give you guys an intro to the video, kind of show you what we're working with here. Hey guys, what's going on? So today, it's a couple days after I just got the drone, and I wanted to get some shots with the Raptor and the drone. So you can see, got my jersey on, ready to go ride. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my helmet, but I probably won't focus on that a whole lot. But I did order a full motovlog setup. The mic adapter should be coming today, so stay tuned for that. You might actually be able to hear me when I say something when I'm riding pretty soon, so that will be good. And yeah, I guess I'll get the drone up in the air and kind of get into it. I don't want to hit a tree with it. Okay, I got the drone in front of me right now. You see it in my hand. I'm about to put it up and do a wheelie across the pasture. At least that's what I'm going to attempt to do. So I'm going to take off here on the driveway, put it up in the air, and see how this works. If you guys don't know, this is DJI Mini 2. So far I do really like this drone. So you can see here, you pull those both in to turn the propellers, and then you just go up. I got to be careful because there's a power line right above me now, but I'm gonna usually I do a wheelie right through here, so I'm gonna go forward a little bit here, and it's about good. Get it up a little ways. It's about perfect. Try and do it without hitting anything. Now we're going to come around. You guys can see I mowed all this down, so that's a lot nicer now. Mowed that corner down. But we're going to come around here and hit the gas. Oh yeah, smooth. I like that. That's probably the best jump I've done on that for a while. Okay, we're back to the original spot. There was a shot that I remember that I wanted to film that I had forgot about earlier. So we're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna try that. Okay, going out, shooting a little bit more. I've actually got Dad on the drone, so that'll be kind of nice. I'll speed things up a little bit. When I was shooting with the drone, it was like tripod shots, only worse because it took longer. But I'm looking okay. I can see the drone. I'm gonna ride this trail. You guys will see what I'm talking about when I do it. that's pretty much the end of that video. So I edited it over quite a few days, filmed it over quite a few days, but it should be, you know, good to go now, I hope. So the things I don't like about the drone is that it doesn't have active track, and it doesn't have certain sensors for preventing crashes and stuff, but that's just kind of what they have to do to keep the drone light and small, which is good by me because I can fit it in my backpack and I don't have to register the drone. So that's really nice. And the other things that I really like about it are actually that, again, I said it's small and it's really easy to fly compared to some older, cheaper drones that I've had before. So thank you guys for watching. We actually just passed 100 subscribers as I'm filming this, so thank you to the first 100. It's a small step, but we're going the right direction here. So hopefully there should be more trips to come. Little Sahara, maybe some other places in Missouri, around here in Kansas and stuff. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.